Ride the kite, a new day. Time for fun, cool today. Meet new friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell ring. Time for school.
Here's Ameelie. She looks happy about starting another school day. Jacob's in a hurry. That's it, Lucy. Hang up your coat. Today, Miss Mills has something special to tell the children.
Right, we're going to have a lovely day today. We're going to do Diwali celebration. I'm so excited.
Diwali is a Hindu festival of light celebrated every autumn. Mrs. Cartmel is making something special with the children.
At Diwali time, we make little clay lamps to bring luck to your house. If you put the clay in your hand and squidge it about like this and give it a really good squeeze and then a little roll.
That's it, Ameelie. Shape it into a lamp.
Look, I'm doing it!
Before they dry, we need to decorate it. Make some swirly patterns and you can use little dots.
Here.
You can do whatever pattern you want.
Mine is going to be a lovely flower.
Look how the tool makes patterns in the clay. Well done, Ameelie. The lamps are going to be painted, but first they need to dry. Mr. Watts has been teaching the class a Diwali song for a very special assembly.
So it goes, thanking the gods, your turn. Thanking the gods. And again, thanking the gods, good. For learning and wealth, your turn. For learning and wealth.
There are lots of words to learn.
The next line goes, hoping the lights bring us peace, love and health. Let's sing it together. I've slowed the music right down. 3, 4. Thanking the gods for learning and wealth.
Jamie knows most of the words.
Bring us peace, love and health. Right, we are ready. Let's stand up. Let's stretch our arms. Oh, move those legs around a little bit so they're not all stiff. It's a little bit quicker. 2, 3, 4. Thanking the gods for learning and wealth.
Some of the children are struggling to remember all the words. Julian's getting there. And Maisie too.
Well done reception, so the next time I see you, we'll be on a performance in front of lots of people. Thank you.
No more time for rehearsal. How will they perform in the proper assembly? The lamps are finally dry and ready to be painted.
I'm going to use red.
You're going to use red. Okay.
And then decorate them.
Exactly. That's what we're going to do.
Can do mine carefully, Miss Cartmel.
Good girl, Ameelie. Now, it's quite difficult to paint because the clay is soaking all of the paint up.
Yeah, it is.
And it's starting to dry because it's very warm in here today, isn't it?
I did mine.
A purple lamp for Sophie.
Miss Cartmel, look at mine.
That's gorgeous, Ameelie.
Can I go wash my hands now? Can I?
Yes, you can go and wash your hands.
Look at
That's
mine.
very neat.
Look at.
Beautiful job. Well done.
Ameelie's having a bit of tap trouble.
Can you turn on the gas, Luciana?
Luciana gives a helping hand. Time for a final decoration on the lamps.
Let's have a look at these ones, because these might give us some really nice ideas. We've got a beautiful leaf, and this one has got some little triangle shapes and some little dots. So we've got some nice colours, and this is gold paint, and there's some silver paint as well.
Jacob is using a shiny green paint.
It's a special type.
I like what you've done with this green edge, Jacob.
Yeah.
Do you want to put some sequins on yours?
Yeah.
Now we need some glue for that.
Really nice. Would you like to put these sprinkles in?
You can do, yeah. So there's green glitter here, and blue glitter, and silver.
I'm using silver.
Okay.
Luciana likes the colour pink.
For me.
I think you're nearly done now, Jacob, aren't you?
I am.
Marvellous. Love it. Look at Danielle's. It's like a little box of gems. They're all fabulous.
Don't the lamps look lovely? It's time for the Diwali assembly, and everyone is putting on special outfits.
Jacob, come here. Look, this is going to be your outfit for Diwali. It's an Indian costume.
Where's the girl one?
It's a boy one. Look, a boy one, they wear long tunics and then look, a pair of boy trousers. So they go underneath. It's a boy one because the boys wear like a long tunic. So would you wear this one for the play? Yeah. Would you try it on for me, darling? Carmel, this is...
It's pretty dresses for Ameelie and her friends.
She loves this one, Miss Carmel. Jacob, here, the mirror. Do you love it? There's one here that's for someone quite small. It's like a little skirt. Someone quite petite. I wonder, Lucy, would that do for you? That would probably do for you, Lucy. Do you want to go and try this one on? For you, darling. That's it. I will choose one for you, Sophie.
That suits you, Sophie.
Sophie, lover, you go and try this outfit on.
Jacob seems very happy in red.
I like it.
Do you like it? Look at Shay. Oh, you look nice.
Shay has gone for green.
Oh, Ameelie.
You look pretty. You're like Cinderella. I'm going to the ball.
These forehead decorations are called bindies.
Right, girls line up smartly. Can I have the boys now?
Everyone ready? The Diwali assembly is about to begin.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Mums and dads are coming to watch, along with baby brothers and sisters, and the rest of the school. Head teacher Miss Balson introduces the children.
So everybody, hands together for reception and year one.
Good luck, everyone. Don't forget your words. Jacob's going to start the show.
Diwali is about flashing the dark and bringing in the light. It's about good overcoming evil. Chasing away the demons of fear. Welcome the world to a brand new year. Let's celebrate Diwali night, the night of 1,000 lights.
All the children have remembered the words. Fantastic! Well done, everyone. The audience really enjoyed it.
Take a bow. Take a bow.
The children are learning a lot about Diwali by trying out different activities. Mrs. Hussain is helping some of them make a Rangoli display.
We don't want to forget that one and that one.
Rangoli is an art form that uses brightly coloured materials, like powders and rice. It represents happiness and good luck.
Or two of them the same colour.
Your Rangoli is looking lovely and colourful.
This wreath is going to be the best. I love the pattern what we made, guys.
Oh, you love the pattern you made. It is beautiful.
I like all of it. Beautiful.
And there are delicious Indian sweets to try.
This one is chocolate, burfi. This is made out of milk and
Milk?
sugar.
Yeah,
milk and sugar.
Cow milk.
Cow milk, exactly like that.
What a treat!
It's good.
This is called jalebi. Can you repeat after me?
Yeah.
Jalebi.
Jalebi.
Yeah, well done. So jalebi is basically sugar syrup and it's fried in oil and it tastes really, really nice. You like it?
Yeah.
Do you like
Really?
it? How does it taste?
Good.
So we normally eat these sweets after dinner normally.
Like dessert?
So as a dessert.
I eat all of my dinner.
Do you?
Really? Well done.